We are lucky to have Åsa Viksten Strömbom coming to teach a class this summer, and I wanted to show you some of her pieces that she's loaned to us in Rya, different Rya techniques. Here we have loops, and here we have cut pieces. Check out the back side. In the class, your main project is going to be this kind of thing in a wool, patterned back side and patterned front side. It's really a wonderful technique. And what do we have here? Some different materials. These are different kinds of rags and different paper yarn and this jute yarn. Very creative. You can do so much with Rya. And this also has a pattern on the back. And Åsa is so much fun. She's just a wonderful, wonderful person to hang out with, and is very knowledgeable about these different Rya techniques, the traditional ones and these fanciful ones. So here we have some wool, and again, a nice little diamond pattern on the back. And what's on the back of this one? Little diamonds, and nicely finished. That's with rags at the top anyway. And here's a fun bit here with multicolored blue at the bottom and a mixture of materials in here and rags up here, and then these big loops up top. Let's see what the back side of this one looks like. This is a plain weave on the back, so that's a possibility as well. There's so many different ways this has been done and can be done. And this one, I love this one, just a stripy, diagonal stripy thing. And I love the back side. So we hope that some of you are tempted by this technique and want to come and join us. And I want to show you this too. This is a coverlet that I wove that is yet another way of doing it. This is a weft-faced plain weave in the back. And these sparse rows of Rya here show the pattern through a little bit. It's just a lovely, lovely technique. So come and learn with us. And there's another technique as well.